Well, morning, welcome back. We're here in Auckland and it's an MX-5 club run day. We're heading to Te Aroha, which is in the Waikato region. About a 150 kilometre drive today. Lots of cool back roads along the coastline in the south of Auckland. Should be really exciting. There's a huge turnout of cars behind me and looking like it'll be a fantastic day, so come along for the ride. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and I can see when you get views that a lot of people haven't, please do. If you want to see more MX-5 stuff, this is the place to be. So come along for the ride. We're about to have a little bit of fun, I hope. Alan, our club president's about to get into his very modified NA. We're going to go for a little blat. I'll try and follow you. Great proper farm, country lanes. Sit rep. Alan and I had a bit of fun on a back road, which you've just seen. Unfortunately, that also now means we're lost. So Alan's got the paper run notes, because this is the sort of club we are, there's paper run notes. What he's just done is swap those for a mobile phone. Back on the main road and at the foot of the stunning Mount Te Aroha, we cruised the quiet country roads and made it to the end of the run. Thanks for coming along on today's club run. Hope you had a great time seeing some of the beautiful roads out of Auckland and into the Waikato region of New Zealand. Please do me a favour, if you enjoyed the video, please like, drop a comment below and subscribe so you get to see all the great videos I've got coming up. Keep watching, more to come, stay tuned.